Hey friends, it is Jamie here with the Simple Organized Erin Condren Planner group on Facebook and the blog milkallergymom.com. We are finishing up our short videos series on how to set up your 2020 Erin Condren Life Planner simply and easily in a way that it will work for you all year long. We have moved from the front to the back. We are on the back pages today. I'm going to show you how I've got those set up, and then I will point you to the whole series of videos, 8 short videos under 5 minutes each, to work through the whole planner if you have not been doing that with me live. So as you move to the back of the planner, we've already talked about the weekly and daily spots for keeping your calendar schedule, all that good stuff. And as we flip the next page, we find that there are blank note pages in the back of the Erin Condren Planner, which is one thing that really drew me to it in the very beginning. I like a lot of extra space to make it work for me and track different things that I want to track and not just have a fill-in-the-blank planner. Those just never worked for me. So as we move through the back pages, we have a page of lined notes, another page of lined notes, a page of the dotted grids, another dotted grids, and a coloring sheet layout. Then as you go here, you're going to have one of their new contact sections where you can keep addresses and names and all that stuff. And then it's pretty much the end of the planner. You've got your stickers and your pocket. Oh, maybe I'll have to talk about those, but we'll move fast here. What I like to do, I'll tell you what I record in these and how I do it. I really like adding sticky notes to these pages so that it's not super permanent and I can change my mind if I want to. Sadly, it's looking like Erin Condren does not sell these skinny notepad sheets anymore, but if you have those on hand, those are my favorite, but you could use your own sticky notes too. In this layout, I'm going to be tracking my goals, my personal home goals and my work goals. Then in the next layout, I keep track of budgets. I've talked a lot about how I use my Erin Condren planners for budgets. And this is going to be work budget and home budget. So I'm going to do it a little different this year. I'm ditching the dashboard. Pretty much ditching all dashboards for Erin Condren this year. I don't want it to bulk up my planner, and I think I can pretty much fit everything in the pages, especially now that we have that monthly layout now that is new. This little baby is going to really help me add even more stuff to my planner. Then this one I did not put notes on, sticky notes, but I did, draw a line. The great thing about these grids is you can get out that ruler, make lines wherever you want. We're going to try to track our medical expenses there, which were pretty spendy last year. And here in the coloring section, I'm not a big fan of coloring those layouts. So what I've done in the years past is just put more sticky notes on, you guessed it, and make some more lists. And last year I had really fun keeping track of all the things that we did in the summer. I get sort of like mom guilt, feeling like I don't do enough with my kids in the summer, but I actually kept track and wrote down everything that we did. And you guys, we had a ton of fun. It wasn't expensive, it wasn't over the top, but we were definitely getting out and doing things, and that was really fun to track. So I'm going to do that again. I also tracked the books that I wanted to read, and I've got that there, and this kind of was just lending itself to another section of self-care. So I slapped some labels on there, and I have 2 more spots to do. And with this being self-care, hey, I could even do some coloring around the note sheets if I'm so inclined. But that takes us to the end. You'll have your upcoming year calendar here, which I do jot notes in so that when I change calendars, I will have those things that I need to catch and not forget. I guess my last tip that I want to share with you is I do rip my stickers out of my planner. I cut off the perforation and I stick them in a pocket, because when I use the stickers and I'm putting them in, having them stuck in here and trying to peel them off just seems to like crinkle things. So I like to just have them in a loose sheet. And that is what you see that I did there, is just cut my stickers out and put them in a pocket. And as you know, we put the clear pockets I did inside my covers this year. I've got my perpetual calendar there that I use for something totally different. So make sure you go back and watch our videos. I think that was one of my first videos on how I use the perpetual calendar. And that is a wrap, you guys. We are going to finish up these blog posts, get these pumped out to you guys, list all 8 videos together in one. I hope you've enjoyed setting up your planner with me, and if you have any tips that I have missed, I have this horrible glare, it's driving me nuts. If you have any tips that I have not thought of, I would love to hear them in the comments. Let us know, and we hope you guys have a great weekend. We will talk to you soon. Bye.